These might be the crispiest chicken wings you'll ever make at home. But the secret is not about frying them. It's how to fry them perfect every single time. Today I'm going to simplify the recipe for you and show you guys how to make it the right way every single time. Before I begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let's dive in. To get started, we're going to cut our wings. I like to cut them in half because that way the flavor can get in there and it'll be nice and flavorful every single bite. Now, while we're cutting them, let me know down below which part of the wings that you guys like the most. I do like the flat. It's my favorite part, actually. I feel like it's more flavorful, but I know some people do like the drum. So let me know in the comment which part is your favorite part of the wings. Now we're going to transfer them to the bowl so we can season them. Now it's time to season our chicken. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil, mix it up. Once it's nicely coated with the oil, we're going in with all these seasoning right here. Now I have the Island Everything Blend seasoning that I added in here. It's my new seasoning that I'm working on. It'll be on the website soon. It's so delicious. You guys can add it to fish, chicken, pork, steak, pretty much everything, okay? So going to just season it. And I have cayenne pepper in here, paprika, ground black pepper, just so we can get that nice and flavorful. Ground black pepper in here too. Mix it up. You can let this sit for a little bit before you fry it, but we're going to fry this right away. This is lunch, okay? I'm always making lunch. Time to season the flour. The flour needs to be seasoned, okay? Not just sprinkle. It needs to be very well seasoned. And also I do have an empty bowl here. This is for the dry flour and we're gonna make the batter in here. So I have 3 cups of flour. Going in is 1 cup of cornstarch. That's what's gonna make it crunchy. Now we're going in with the baking soda. This is another ingredients that's going to make this chicken nice and crunchy and crispy. Okay, now time for the seasoning. I have a whole lot in here. I have a little bit of chicken bouillon, the Island Everything Blend seasoning, cayenne pepper, paprika, ground black pepper, just to name a few. I'll leave everything below. Give that a nice mix. All right, now once it's nicely combined, you're going to take half of that flour, transfer it to a bowl. This is gonna be our wet batter. Now for the wet batter, go ahead with some pickle juice. Don't sleep on it, trust me, this is a game changer. Game changer, you hear me? I'm going to add that in it. And also we're going in with some club soda. If you know, you know. Just mix it all together until you have a consistency very light. It's not too thick, okay? Something like this. The oil is preheating. Now we're going to basically coat the chicken with the flour. Grab you a chicken, add it to the wet batter. 1 hand for the wet and 1 for the dry. And then we're going to add it to the flour, and then this hand is for the flour. I did this before with some tenderloins. Oh my God, they were so good. I'll have the link below. I posted it on my social media, but I double coat them so they were like very bready and flaky. This time I'm going with just 1 coat of that flour. I like to do them ahead of time, so yeah. You grab your chicken, add it to the wet batter. Allow the excess to drip, always. Add it to the flour. This hand is going to touch the flour so we don't make a mess here, okay? And I wanna show you, give it a tap. I wanna show you the texture that's on the chicken. You can already tell this is about to be super crispy and nice, okay? I'm going to repeat this step until I'm completely done with all the chicken. The temperature for the oil is 350. I'm using peanut oil. Going to add that in. The reason why we're using peanut oil because it has a high smoking point, which means it's not gonna be smoky up in here, and the oil, the temperature will remain stable. So I'm going to add a few more, and we're going to fry this for about 8 to 10 minutes, all right? It's time to take the chicken, stop. That's my timer, okay? It's time to take the chicken out. It's been cooking for about nine minutes. Let's remove it. They're looking good, as you can see. The texture, the texture alone is just amazing, okay? It's giving Publix chicken, Popeye's chicken, but it's looking good, as y'all can see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna cook the other batch. Same thing for about 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you set a timer because you want the internal temperature to be at least 165 degrees, okay? Now it's time to take this second batch out. I found getting them with the tongue is better. That way I'm not breaking the breading. It looks so good, y'all. So good. Oh my goodness. Amazing. Like, give me 10 of them right now, all flats. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the most amazing sauce to go with these. So let's do it. Well, before I do, let me show you guys how it looks. Oh my goodness. Looks so good, I know. Now let's make the sauce. To make the sauce, I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. All right, next we're going to add our sriracha sauce. I usually go half and half, like half a cup of sriracha and half a cup of honey. Perfect. That way it kind of like balance. If you want it more spicy, you can add more sriracha. A little bit of garlic powder, okay? About a 1/4 teaspoon of that. A tablespoon of soy sauce, low sodium, okay? And also this is apple cider vinegar. You can add rice wine vinegar, red wine vinegar, just to balance the sweetness. Allow it to simmer on low for about 60 seconds and it's pretty much done. Let's taste it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It never fails. This sauce, it's so bomb. All right, it's all done. Let's plate it. Just like that, you have the most crispy, crunchy, flavorful wings. Let's try it. Let's try this one. You know, flat is my favorite. And that sauce, I'm telling you, y'all, I have braces, so it's kind of hard for me to actually do taste tests, but you already know. I don't even have to try it. I know y'all trust me enough to actually make this. I'm talking too much. Let's eat. If you're looking for the perfect fried chicken recipe, this is it right here. I'm telling you. When I tell you I outdid myself with these wings, they're fire. 10 out of 10 would recommend. If you find this video helpful and you enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I mean, it deserves a thumbs up. Come on, guys. Also, be sure to leave this video with a comment. Drop a comment, engage, talk to me. What you gonna eat this with? Something. Say something in the comment. Come on, anything. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. All right? Bye, guys.